You know, often these insecticides go out and they're just sort of automatic. They're timed for a growth stage. What we really want to understand is what insect pests are really driving that. You know, that's what insecticides do. They kill insects. In this project, we're really examining sort of the return on investment that farmers get when they use a pest control tactic, especially insecticides. And what we're looking at in this particular field is foliar insecticides applied at R3 or at R5, as well as insecticides applied to the seed. A lot of times we'll hear from farmers, I got a response on my insecticide. I got additional yield from that. But we might not have information from that field on what pests were present. What did we control? What insect did we kill to get that response? So we're doing a series of field experiments where we're looking at some of these insecticides applied, how farmers apply them in many cases based on a growth stage or to the seed. So we'll be sampling these fields every other week throughout the year, really thoroughly documenting the insect pest population. Counting insects is really hard. It's a lot harder than it sounds like it would be. It's a lot of work throughout the season. And what we're hoping to accumulate as we do these field studies is observations on how often we get a return, how often we get additional yield from these insecticides. And when we do, what's the cause? What's the reason? Which insect pests are the most detrimental? By doing that, we can answer a few different questions. One, what pest control inputs are going to give them the most bang for their buck? But two, what we're really hoping to better understand is how damaging these different insect pest populations are. Which insect pests really move the needle in terms of yield loss, and what we should focus on with our management. And we're looking not just at which insect pests are the most damaging, but how many it takes before a control is really justified, before treating them with an insecticide is really going to provide that additional yield protection. So for more information about this project, about other checkoff funded projects, go to illsoyadvisor.com.